Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and AI YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix lazy eyes on FaceTune app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the FaceTune app and already logged in, and now right after that, once you open, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the FaceTune apps on screen, where you can see the plus icon at the bottom. Simply tap over there, and now you can choose any of the photos from the library. So let me choose one of them. Now at the bottom of the screen you can see lots of options, and you can also see the makeup option as well. So simply tap on the makeup option, and now you can see eyes at the bottom right corner. So simply select that logo or option, and now you can fix your lazy eyes from here successfully. So basically this is how you can fix your eyes on FaceTune app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.